Welcome to Sad Educare, Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3. We are starting exercise 5.3. Question 1. Write the multiples of 3 and 6. So few answers already given. We will fill the blank. Like here is 1 and here is 3 times. It means 3 times 1 is a 3. Similar, 3 times 2 is a 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 already given, 3 times 6 it will be 18, 3 times 7 21, 3 times 8 24, 3 times 9 27, 3 times 10 it will be 30. Similar, 6 times 1 is a 6, 6 times 2 is a 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24, 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 6 times 7 is 42, 6 times 8 48, 6 times 9 54, and finally 6 times 10 is a 60. This is very simple. Number 2. Which multiplication fact from multiplication table for 3 and 6 have the same value? The first one is done for you. Like, look, 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 times 1 also 6. It's a similar fact. Same thing, like 3 times 4 it will be 12, and 6 times 2 is also 12. This is similar. So this one we can write like 3 times 4 equals to 6 times 2. Third one, let's check. Here is 18 and also here is 18. So this 18 come from like 3 times 6, and this one is 6 times 3 is a same answer. Again here is 24 and also here is 24. Fourth one will be 3 times 8 and here is 6 times 4 is the same answer. Another one like 30 and also here is 30. So this is number 5. 3 times 10 it means 30, and 6 times 5 also 30. So I hope you clear this one. If you have any confusion, please write a line in the comment section. So number 1 and 2 of 5.3 done. Number 3, write the missing multiplication fact. So here is double and half. Here 6 times 5 equals to 30. So we have to write like 3 times 5 equals to 15, which double is 6 times 5, it means 30. So here is 15, here is 30. Similar, 3 times 7 is 21. It double, it means 6 times 7, which is 42. And here is half. 6 times 8 48. So 6 half is 3, and times 8 it will be 24. Same thing here, 3 times 9 is 27, and it comes from half of 6 times 9 54. Okay, so number 3 done. Number 4, color the multiples of 9 on this 100 square. Describe the pattern you make. First we have to find out the multiples of 9. We can make color like this is 9 times 1 is a 9, 9 times 2 is a 18, 9 times 3 is a 27, 9 times 4 is a 36, 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 6 is a 63, and then 9 times 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 8 is a 72, and 9 times 9 is a 81. And finally what? Finally it will be 9 times 10 is a 90. And here also 9 times 1, 9 times 11 is a 99. Now look, here is very interesting thing. Just this is a row, first row, second row, third row. So in here first row is the 9th place, but in second row it's 8th place, then 7th place, 6th place, 5th place, 4th place, 3rd place, 2nd place, 1st place. Again it will start from what? 10th place, and once 10 times 11, again it will be 9th place. So it's a decrease by 1. How? We can write like this way: colored 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99. The number that is colored moves one place back to the left on the next row. It means when it's in this place, in next row it's a back decrease 1, again next row back decrease 1. So just decrease by 1. The 10th digit increase by 1. It's a 9 digit. It means this is 9 times 9. But when 9 times 10, it means 10th digit, it becomes 10th place. Okay. Now look, the number occurred are odd, even, so on. Like 9 is odd, 18 is even, 27 is odd, 36 is even, 45 is odd, 54 is even, like this way. So this is very interesting question. I hope you clear this one. But if you want to describe this one your way, it's up to you. But in this table, this is a perfect one. We colored that numbers which is multiples of 9. So number 4 done. So no more today. This video I am trying to solve 1 to 4 of exercise 5.3. In next video we will start in same exercise will from question 5, and we will try to finish this chapter by next video. Till then, take care, keep practice at home, and please don't forget subscribe my channel Sad Educare. We are in Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3. Thank you.